Oh, we built a huge truck. Let's start. These are parts of huge truck. Let's put everything together. First, we together wheel, another wheel, now platform, now another platform, seats, strawberry, strawberry, no cabin, no, what's strawberry, no cabin, and then pumper. No, oh, straw. No, straw. Ports. Wow, congratulations. Build a huge truck. Wow, now build a excavator. Wow, huge excavator. These are parts of excavator. We build a huge excavator. These are parts. Let's put everything together. Wheel, sorry. Another wheel. Another wheel. Another wheel. Now we put cabin. No. All. Put all. Another all. Put another all. Now put another part of excavator. Very important part. Lamp put. No. Wow, congratulations. Subscribe.